Good morning, everyone. All the students which I usually meet and teach English, they ask me one very important question, especially the ones who are not having the background of going to a English medium school. They ask me, ma'am, what is the only permanent foolproof method of increasing your vocabulary? The answer is the same method which you used in your early childhood when you were 1 year old or younger. And what was that method as asked by the students? The method is you listened, you practiced, you made errors and corrected them. And you were highly motivated. You had a genuine need to know, for without words you could not communicate. And without communication, you realized intuitively, perhaps instinctively, yet also unconsciously, that you could not survive. Instant word power is a method which aims to reestablish for you those conditions of your early childhood, a time when you learned hundreds, even thousands, depending on the stimulation of your particular environment, of new words every year, every day, every week, every month. You learn new words, hearing them, saying them, playing with them, eventually reading and writing them. Easy, wasn't that? So easy that average 1 year old child could do it. So easy that you, as a 1 year old child, did it. And now, if you are an average high school senior or college student, you have a speaking vocabulary of thousands of words, a reading vocabulary of perhaps twice that many. But unfortunately, as the average high school senior or college student, you now learn no more than 25 to 50 new words a year. Can you think of 5 new words you have learned in this last month? What happened to the fast learning, obsessively acquisitive child you once were? What happened was actually you lost the fierce need to learn and know. In the first 2 years of life, normal children acquire and store away new information at a rate so much faster than adults do that we would have to use terms like light years versus miles to show the startling contrast. You learned enough words through the first 16 to 18 years of your life to understand and communicate on a level you considered adequate. But the question is that level truly adequate? Apparently not. If you are a slow reader, if your reading comprehension leaves something to be desired, or if you are having difficulty getting through such solid text oriented courses as history, psychology, anthropology, sociology, geology, literature, etc., that demand long reading assignments containing words you must have rarely seen or heard before. So, what does this book aim to do for you? This book attempts to re-establish, as closely as possible, the conditions of your early childhood when you fiercely wanted and needed to learn new words in order to communicate with and to understand the world around you. To put it another way, this book aims to give you a second chance to go through same activities that made you, as a young child, an expert in enlarging your vocabulary by hundreds and hundreds of new words every year. What do you have to do now? Be motivated, the very first thing. You are probably already somewhat, perhaps strongly motivated if you have begun to suspect that poor vocabulary is holding you back from doing well in your school college work as your intelligence makes possible. The learning techniques and remembering new words that you will find in instant word power will sustain and increase your motivation. The second thing is hear and say. Every time you meet a new word in this book or anywhere. Pronunciation will be indicated in phonetic symbols that make the correct sounds of word instantly understandable. Say the word aloud. Hear it in your own voice. तो आपको बहुत तेज़ वो शब्द कहना है. पहली बात आपको क्या करनी है अपनी वोकेबलरी बढ़ाने के लिए कि आप हमेशा मोटिवेटेड रहिए, आप सीखने के लिए उत्सुक रहिए. उसके बाद आप जो भी नया शब्द आपको मिले उसको अपनी ही आवाज़ में सुनिए, यानी आप उसको बहुत तेज़ से बोलिए. Thirdly, you have to practice. You will meet the same new word or one of its derived forms over and over again. So practice, practice makes a man perfect. So say that word again and again, बार बार उसको कहिए, wherever you meet it. Listen to it, बार बार उसको सुनिए, think about it, उसके बारे में सोचिए, write it again and again, बार बार उसको लिखिए. In blank provided for writing. Make fast friends with each new word. हर शब्द के साथ आपको दोस्ती करनी है. Fourth thing you have to do is play with words. आपको शब्दों से खेलना है. You will be asked in successive frames to derive various forms of each word to add prefixes and suffixes. तो जो भी शब्द आने वाली एक्सरसाइजेज मैं इसमें करवाऊंगी आपको, तो जो भी शब्द है उसमें प्रीफिक्स ऐड करना है, सफिक्स ऐड करना है, ताकि आप नए नए शब्द बना सकें. टू फाइंड अदर वर्ड्स बट बिल्ट ऑन द सेम रूट. तो जड़ सेम रहेगी, रूट सेम रहेगा, रूट वर्ड सेम रहेगा, लेकिन मीनिंग्स बदलते जाएंगे, शब्द नए होते जाएंगे. इन द रेनफोर्समेंट एक्सरसाइजेज which you will be doing with me in next video, you will recall each word after being given a hint of or a brief definition. You will retrieve from your mind as from a computer the meaning of prefix, suffix or root that you have stored away. You will supply the missing letter or letters to make a correct spelling pattern. You will think of, say and write the words that satisfies a definition. All this activity is a play. ये सब कुछ करना एक खेल जैसा होगा. Get involved, enjoy the fun and learn hundreds of new words. Fifth step is to make errors and correct them. कोई भी व्यक्ति बिना गलती करे सीख नहीं पाता है, और जो व्यक्ति गलती करने के बाद सीख जाता है वो कभी भूलता नहीं है. So no one is perfect and true learning results from trial and error. In each frame, you will be asked to write one or more words. Write the word or words saying a new word aloud as you write it. And the last thing that you have to do is see, say and write the words. आपको देखना है, आपको बोलना है और आपको उन शब्दों को लिखना भी है. You will see and say each new word. You will write each new word up to a dozen times in a session. बार बार लिखिए. And still again in one of the 3 review tests and the final test. So this I'll be making you do with me when I make a next video of this. Think with and say the words gaining increased mastery each time. Write the words gaining increased power each time you do so. Soon the new words will seem so familiar to you that you will have the illusion that you have known all of them throughout your life. Finally, perhaps as first with some shock, you will begin to see these words in all the reading you do, and you will find yourself using the words in your own speaking and writing. You will have captured the word for now and forevermore. So this is the final thing. आप जब बार बार देखेंगे, बोलेंगे और लिखेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि ये जो शब्द आपको एक प्रैक्टिस जो मैं करवाने वाली हूँ आगे के वीडियोस में, ऐसा करते करते आपको लगेगा कि ये शब्द आपको बहुत पहले से पता है और आप उनसे इतने परिचित होंगे. You will find them everywhere and you will be using them deliberately. So this is how you will make your vocabulary a growing one. So don't cease, keep growing, keep studying, keep watching and learning. Bye bye for now.